Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in our beautiful day, I want to show you my material is about cover the conflict that maybe is the most thing worthy. So yeah, we're just making to facility. So what is Cold War? So Cold War it's like the conflict between a big countries is like USA and other, and it's like Soviet Union, but it's not between a real war, just with a little conflict. But the conflict is too dangerous until it's almost make the World War III. So I will go to this. When the Cold War start, the Cold War is start when the army of the Allies has win the battle is between Soviet and USA. But between of this one, the USA and Soviet has a little conflict because communist is that doesn't like capitalism. So Soviet is making the USA angry to the USA, so it's making the USA and Britain, and also the Soviet is conflict both of them, so both of them doesn't like each other. And after that the Cold War started, but I will don't tell you or don't explain to you the date because I don't really know the date, because the date is different sometimes with other sides. So yeah, I will give you the first block. So the first block is the American block. No, the American block is like there is as I know that there is USA, Britain, France, New Zealand, Australia, and the other. They are at least with them after Soviet has making the nuclear program. So when they are making the nuclear program, USA and the other make the allies to protect each other from the nuclear attack. So yeah, I will go to there's the Soviet bloc also. Maybe this one is something a little bit else. So the Soviet bloc is like the main content is both there is Soviet, and there's the North Korea, is Germany, and the other republic that Soviet make by themselves. Actually, Soviet making the country as like Bulgaria or Romania by attacking the country first. After that, she forced the country to the Soviet Union. So if they don't do what Soviet want, Soviet will attacking them again. And then there is this the picture that is maybe something error because of my left. So this the Western bloc. I just giving a three flag over here, and there's a Soviet bloc over here. There is Soviet Union, North Korea, and East Germany. And this is the biggest nuclear experiment that have been detected in here. There is the power is 50,000 TNT is get power by Soviet Union. And there's also this is the conflict between North Vietnam and South Vietnam, but the American is joining the war because of they want to control the country. And this is the power struggle is between USA, Britain, and the Soviet. So the Soviet, it can be the biggest one, but the one can be said the most hated. But USA has many parts. And then this is the second bomb. The power is 15,000 TNT. It gets built in by American bloc. And also this is the Korean war between South and North Korea. So between of them there are a biggest conflict that make them like now cannot united. So South and North fighting each other, and the South is get helped by the America, and South Korea is winning the war. It's not big. It's because of American and other allies helping to fighting the North. So yeah, maybe this is one is the other picture of the armrest. So the Ismin is the armrest. So between of them making the armrest, so it's like they are making the biggest form. So they are, it's like the car that want to until the finish or can be wants to the superpower country. Between of them USA and Soviet is like making the nuclear program by themselves. Like Castle Bravo is by building by America, and then also there is Tsar Bomba is by the Soviet Union. Okay, we go to the next. I think this one is the first one, that the bomb is very big. And then this is the Yugoslavia war. Over here there is, I think there is a critical one, or the critical issue, that is, as you know, or as you see, there are Srebrenica massacre, or if you want to know, it's like the 8,000 Muslims is get killed by Serbian ethnic. So it means almost 8,000 Muslims over here is get killed by Islam because of between Serbia, Bosnia, Croatians, Slovenian is fighting each other. There is no mercy or no peaceful over here. So they are, and doesn't care if it is kids or this woman there, doesn't care. At least they can, the ethnic can win. So they doesn't care if the ethnic is kids or a woman. They don't care about that. And then yeah, this may be the last picture that I have before. So it means there is the fall of the communism. So the Soviet has that now control again after many years control the Romanian and other countries. So after the East Germany and West Germany as united, Soviet has a critical economy problem and cannot control the country because it's too big, because other country that he control has been rebel to him. So the Soviet is falling down and becoming the biggest country in the world right now is becoming Russia. So I think maybe that our women, but do you want guys to show you some video in YouTube?
Yes.
Do you want? So yeah, this one. Which one that you want to see? Yeah, good. Which one, guys? Yeah. Which one? This one. This one. But this is the explanation, not the. You want this video? Huh? You cannot see. Okay.
Episode of the Infographic Show. Today we're taking a look at 50 incredible facts about the Vietnam War. 50. In the region, the Vietnam War was known as the Second Indochina War, and only one in a series of conflicts between the Indo-Chinese Communists and the U.S., French, China, and others. 49. The North Vietnamese Army was supported financially and with war materials by the Soviet Union, China, and other communist allies, while the South Vietnamese Army was supported by the USA, South Korea, the Philippines, Australia, Thailand, and other anti-communist allies. 48. The war lasted 19 years and also caused the Laotian Civil War and the Cambodian Civil War. And despite the U.S.'s best efforts, would result in all three countries becoming communist states in 1975. 47. Called Viet Cong by English language sources, these guerrilla fighters were actually formally known as the National Front for the Liberation of South Vietnam. 46. U.S. participation in Vietnam formally began with support for a French effort to reconquer its former colony in Vietnam after the nation declared independence shortly after World War II. 45. When the Japanese invaded during World War II, the Viet Minh, led by Ho Chi Minh, resisted the invaders and were supported by the U.S., the Soviet Union, and China. After Japan's surrender, Ho Chi Minh initiated an insurgency against French rule. 44. In January 1950, China and the Soviet Union recognized the Viet Minh's Democratic Republic of Vietnam, based in Hanoi, as the legitimate government of Vietnam, while the U.S. and Great Britain recognized the French-backed state of Vietnam, based in Saigon. The stage for war between North and South was set. 43. Seeing it as an expansion of communism and the direction of the Soviet Union, the United States
You want to change another video?
after the Korean War.
Or huh? I didn't.
42.
Okay, so yeah, just did the explanation of the video that we already see before over here. So I think maybe that's all about my explanation about our today about Cold War. Maybe I'm so sorry if I have other mistake and other fault. And what I'm to say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.